Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can speed ramp in Premiere Pro 2024. Let's open Premiere Pro app and upload the video you want to edit. Drag the video to the timeline and right-click on a small effect square. Click Time Remapping and go to Speed. Move the timeline guide to where you want the speed ramping to start. Hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and left-click the place where you see the timeline guide. Click again the line and drag it to increase the speed. Drag the flag to the left side to apply smoothness on the speed and adjust the middle flag to align and the ramp. That's how you can apply speed ramp in Premiere Pro. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!